Welcome to this technical guide on the HP ProBook. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your hard drive won't connect externally, you are not alone. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons such as a faulty connection, a damaged hard drive, or compatibility problems. If left unresolved, it can lead to data loss or the inability to access important files when needed. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to keep components safe from static electricity. First, ensure your HP ProBook is powered off and unplugged. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back cover of your laptop. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the cover off, taking care not to damage the casing. Inside, locate the hard drive, which is typically secured by a bracket. Remove any screws holding the bracket in place, and gently lift it out to access the hard drive. Be cautious of any cables connected to it. You may need to disconnect them by carefully pulling on the connectors. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure you're not missing any screws. Once the hard drive is free, inspect it for any visible signs of damage. If you have a replacement drive, simply reverse the steps to insert the new one. Make sure to securely fasten the screws and reconnect any cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is back in place, reattach the back cover and screw it in securely. Power on your HP ProBook and check if the external connection works. If it does, congratulations on your successful repair. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you safely eject your hard drive before disconnecting it and avoid using it in extreme temperatures. Regularly back up your data to prevent loss in case of future failures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.